Hi guys! So, for today's video, I've been wanting to do this type of video for a very long time na. For today, I want to do a full face of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, or as much as possible, trying to use all the products of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Lalong-lalo na nga at meron silang nilabas na bagong shades ng Radiance Tint. So we are going to explore the new shades. Also, my face, that's not oil. Hindi ako oily. It's just that I finished applying my skincare. And oh my god, I just want to share this one product right here. This is from Fresh Skin Lab, yung Tomato Glass Skin Face and Body Mist. Kapag ito in-spray mo, you're going to get like instant shiny shimmering Korean skin glow-ish. So, okay, let's do this. So, first thing na gusto ko i-explore is meron ng green corrector, yung Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, and saktong-sakto because I have an imperfection here. This is a pimple. It's dead already, pero alam mo yun, may red mark pa rin siya. This is what a green corrector looks like kapag na-swatch. And you use the green corrector kapag meron kang mga red spots na gusto mong i-cancel out or somehow bawasan yung pigment ng pagiging red niya. And for me, it's the pimple right here. Now, mapunta tayo sa, they have a new peach corrector. And so this is the new one. And this is the previous released na peach corrector. Can you see the difference? Yung unang release is like lighter and brighter. And then yung second release is deeper. So perfect kung ikaw ay lighter skin tone or like deeper skin tone and you use peach corrector to cancel out yung mga dark under eye circles, yung mga tired looking eyes. Pero pagtabihin natin yung dalawang peach corrector. So this is the first release. According to Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, it's pastel peach, very matte, and less creamy. And then ito yung new release and slightly deeper, easier to blend out and dewy finish. And hydrating and moisturizing. So yun yung mga improvements na ginawa nila. But as for me, I think I'm going to go with the first release, yung brighter one. Kasi wala naman ako like matinding dark circle na gustong itago. Gusto ko lang pantayin. Ika nga. And my favorite way to blend this is using a wet spongy. Kasi super thick ng mga Radiance Tint ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. And for me, I find it easier to blend, to apply with a wet sponge. Idamay na rin natin yung eyelids. So merong 3 new shades, yung Radiance Tint Concealer. Okay, unahin natin 110 Pebble. It looks like the lightest one sa packaging. So this is 110 Pebble. Next is 10N Vanilla. So this is 10N Vanilla. Next is 170 Sable. And this is 170 Sable. Okay, according to Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, itong Pebble, it's a light medium with olive undertone. And then yung 10N Vanilla, light with neutral undertone. This is 10N Vanilla. And then yung Sable over here, it's medium with olive undertone. So I'm going to brighten up some areas using Radiance Tint in the shade Milk. Yung mga areas na gusto kong like ma-lift talaga. Diba? Parang instant like... Don't worry, we look like clown for now. Just trust the process. And then maglalagay din ako ng pag-contour before the foundation. Yes, because I don't want the foundation to be like super duper makapal, full coverage. So ngayon pa lang, ilalagay ko na yung pang-contour ko. By the way, this is the shade 29C Honey. I'm going to use a different sponge para malinis. I love yung honey pang-contour kasi meron siyang parang, for me grayish undertone, which I love for a contour product. For foundation, I'm going to use yung sa Detail Cosmetics na lang muna. Kasi pag ginamit ko pa yung Radiance Tint, it's going to be like, I don't know, super thick for me. So I want it to be a little bit lighter. Yung aking foundation. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa mga areas na, you know, necessary in my foundation. Like the pimple over here. Okay, so I'm going to use yung pebble. Pierce lang ako a little bit dito sa ilalim. Tiny amount because a little goes a long way with the Radiance Tint. So mag-blush na ako, and for the blush, I'm going to use itong milk tint in the shade Soufflé. Ito ko muna siya ilalagay. I really love this one for blush, and I use this almost every day. I kid you not. I'm going to use yung base ng sponge. Diba? Fresh yan lang. And my favorite Igari style, yung lalagyan ng konting blush. And then over here sa gilid. So nice, so fresh. For the eyes, I'm just going to use a waterproof mascara from Sassy Lady. But for the nose contour, I'm going to use a powder contour, my favorite way. But the thing is, I'm not gonna use a highlighter anymore. Kasi yung nilagay nating pang brighten effect is sapat na to like lift that area. 10. Now, for the lips, one of my favorite as well, Milkshake ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Milk Tint. And I also love using this for every day. I have a tint, by the way. Usually, I always do that. Meron akong base na lip tint before I put like yung lip color na gusto ko talaga. Para alam mo yun, may insurance. In case mabura yung top layer ng lip color, hindi ako magmumukhang like a ghost na, you know, blanco yung labi. All about that base velvet setting powder in the shade Biscuit for me. I'm going to use this to set yung mga areas na gusto ko matte. For me, I would still want to look dewy, fresh-ish. Here is the final look, you guys. Very simple makeup look lang. My usual simple for everyday makeup look, pang office. But gusto ko lang talagang i-highlight yung mga new shades ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Radiance Tint. And thank you so much nga pala kay May Layog and sa Get Ready With Me Cosmetics team for always including me with your PR list. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I also love it na yung mga shades ng Radiance Tint, hindi siya yung parang isang bagsakan, eto na lahat yon. You always have room for adjustment, for improvement, and you always listen to your clients, to your customers, to your followers, yung mga requests nila, yung mga comments nila. So I really love that part about you guys. Again, thank you so much and congratulations. So guys, in case you're interested in any of the products I use on my face, link down below. Show your support and your love kay May Layog and sa Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!